I don't want to just show instead of myself because this fellow. Okay, finished it totally, but I'll show you what I did do here. This part here on the other side had an eccentric cam kind of mechanism, cast iron broken off. So what I did do was put a steel plate, get it on eBay, and glued it on and bolted it on and made an eccentric on the other side. Can we see that? Yes, we can. There it is. That was done a while ago. I replaced the entire rail up here because it was just ordinary bar stock. Put the old one away, use it for metal, and put my own fancy knob at the very end of it. Brand new. Replace the bronze bushings in here. And I redid this whole surface area down here. Let's see if you see it. I refiled the grooves. Replaced the pins down here for the vise because the pins were short and caused a lot of damage over many years. I put this back piece on as an emergency piece. It works good. That's all clean. Put this guard on here for lengths of material to be cut. That's done. I made a brand new pin here. You can see it out of stainless steel. Put a 1/2 inch inside diameter oil-light bearing in this shaft, as well as this one here, brand new. That's done. What else did I do on here? Cleaned it, rewired it, tested it, new belts. I think that's it. So I'm very happy with it. Works like brand new. So any parts I've worn, just replace them, make my own. Yeah, everything looks good. As you can see, that's done. This is getting done. Latham building. I'm gonna latham building. All kinds of different things every day. So keep them busy on it. All right. So that's the old Keller Power Hacks. All new pieces I put on. Nothing else looks nothing else is can't tell anywhere on anything. The gears are fine. Everything else is fine. Okay, there we have it.